Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle by a sparkling river, there lived a hippopotamus. She was a kind and gentle hippo who loved to swim in the river and hang out with her friends, the monkeys. One day, Hippo felt a little under the weather. She had a terrible sore throat and sneezed violently. Achoo! The force of her sneeze created a giant wave in the river, splashing water everywhere. All the animals nearby were shocked. They had never seen such a big wave before from that day on. Every time Hippo sneezed, the river splashed and animals got wet. They tried to warn her, Hippo, please be careful when you sneeze. You almost drowned us. But Hippo couldn't help it. She sneezed so hard she couldn't control it. Then the animals came up with a plan. They would stop her from sneezing. So the next time Hippo started to sneeze, one of the monkeys quickly put a leaf over her nose. This should do it, he said. But as soon as Hippo took a deep breath, the leaf flew off her nose and landed in the river. Hippo apologized to the monkey, but he just shook his head. It wasn't his fault. She sneezed so hard, even a tree branch almost got knocked off. Hippo felt bad. She didn't want to hurt any of her friends. She wanted to find a solution so she could sneeze freely without hurting anyone. An idea then struck her like a bolt of lightning. She would make a hat to cover her nose. So Hippo went to the riverbank and picked out a big, juicy mango. Then she cut off the top and made a perfect bucket hat. It even had a little hole for her nose. Hippo was so happy. Finally, she could sneeze without hurting anyone. But as soon as she put the hat on, she started laughing. The animals all stared at her. "Why are you laughing?" they asked. "Because," said Hippo, "I look like a monkey wearing a bucket hat." The animals couldn't help it. They all started laughing, too. And Hippo laughed so hard she took the hat off. She realized that being a hippo with a big, beautiful nose wasn't so bad. In fact, it was something to laugh about. From that day on, whenever Hippo felt like sneezing, she just did it. And when her friends got wet, they all laughed together. Hippo learned that sometimes the best medicine for a sore throat is a good laugh. The end. Follow for more Little Legends library.